Today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the differences in strategy for lighting your workshop. In one situation, we are looking at lighting the space uniformly, and in another situation we're looking at lighting the same space by optimizing light fixtures and placing them in strategic locations. Now in this situation we've got a 30 by 54 area with an 11-foot ceiling. In the first scenario where we're looking at uniform lighting, we take the floor space and we lay out where the different shop tools are in the simulation, which are represented by all of the black squares and circles and things like that. And then the light fixtures are represented by the blue rectangles. Okay, and so in this situation we have 5 rows of 6 fixtures, so 30 fixtures in this scenario. In the optimized scenario, we have the light fixtures that are placed in different locations above the major work areas in order to concentrate the light over those areas and minimize in the wood storage and tool storage areas. So in the uniform scenario and in the optimized scenario, you can see the differences of where the light fixtures are located. Now if we take that and run the simulation and create a heat map, we are able to identify the uniformity of the light throughout the space. And in the space we're looking at roughly 60 foot candle minimum throughout the space. In some of the areas in the corners we're going to drop between 40 and 35 foot candles, but in the center of the room you can see that the major work areas we're looking at 70 foot candles in the center right and then about 72 foot candles in the center left. Tools along the walls, you're looking at about 50 foot candles on both the top and the bottom section of the workshop, and then also on the very right end of the workshop you can see that at the bench it's about 53 foot candles. If we then look at the optimized scenario, okay, this is roughly the same total wattage of electricity, but you can see that by moving them above the major work areas, we're able to increase the foot candles to about 69 foot candles along the walls, and then in the center you can see that we are able to get it up above 80 foot candles, and in this situation above the major work area to the center right, we're at 113 foot candles. So once again, you can see the difference in light output from the uniform versus the optimized. And another view of the uniform versus the optimized. As a comparison of the wattage, in the optimized we're using 31 fixtures, 1,344 watts. In the uniform scenario we've got 30 foot candles, 1,440 watts. I hope you find this interesting and helpful.